Back here on the 76, got our O-ring kit, which we had. I have the fuel rail assembly out in the truck. So I'm gonna start by putting the lower O-rings on the driver's side injectors. And we're gonna basically get the driver's side assembled and then assemble the passenger side and hook up our rail and fire in the hole, baby. Right, so here are the lower O-rings to the injectors. These will go on the bottom of the injector. You can see the old ones here. So put those in. There's the driver's side rail. You can see it's been welded up because there's been multiple spots where it was split and leaking. So good old Felipe at F&L takes care of business. Right, there's our upper O-rings. Just chilling. There's our rail, which goes like so. And that's our next mission. We're gonna position that baby. All right, driver's side is all in. Everything's started on this side. That's all complete. Getting ready to do our passenger side. There's our passenger side rail. We will be handling that next.